Infinite void. Hi YouTube, in this video we'll discuss how to alphabeticalize the order of a list. So the list is all in random order, and then we can use a formula to organize it in alphabetical order. So let's get started. So this is a list that's not in order, and now to alphabeticalize it, we do this for the formula. Sort unique. And as you can see, this is now all in order. That's how we do it. So I didn't do this in Excel because I don't have Office 365 subscription. So it wouldn't allow me to generate this formula. So I had to do it in Google Sheets, but it should work in Excel if you have Office 365. But I only have 2019 paid version, and it doesn't work in that version. So that's why I had to do it in Google Sheets for this tutorial. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.